Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix overheating issues on the Magic Honor V6. So first, what you guys want to do is close the apps in the background. So if you use gestures, you just swipe up top here and open these apps. We're going to click on the trash icon. And now 2 GB of memory freed up. What are we going to do next is we're going to turn off some useless functions. Maybe not useless, but the ones that you're not using right now. As you guys can see, there's a lot of them. For example, here we should have location. If we don't see it here, it will be after editing a tile. And if your location is simply turned on, you should definitely turn it off. It is very important. It was already here. So if you have your location turned on, I would recommend just turning it off. If you're using the phone at home, after you go outside, you can turn it on, but then I would strongly recommend disabling Wi-Fi. So that's kind of how it goes. You can fix overheating issues like this. Now you can go over into settings and then select battery. In the battery, what you can do is you can go over and here in the more battery settings, you have the power consumption alert. Make sure that it's turned on so you can see which apps are detected as battery draining or overheating. And here we have the system optimization. Now if you click optimize, you will see that it's optimizing your system and that it is optimized. So here you can also check the battery use. You can see which app is going hard with the percentage. Of course, contacts and Honor Home are the normal apps, so we cannot do that. Sorry, they are the system apps, but Chrome, as you guys can see, I'm pretty sure in the app launch we can change it. If not, then we can also manage some other apps. For example, Drive, we can disable it running in the background. It won't run in the background now. The same for email, but as you guys can see, receipt of emails may be delayed. So you guys can do that in order to fix your overheating issues. Of course, as a last resort, what you guys can do is update your software. So go to System and Updates, go to Software Update, and click on New Version Available if you have some. You will have the Install button, and after installing, you will have the Restart button. Now it's restarting, and that's basically it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.